How to create progress bar in Notion. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a progress bar in Notion. So first of all, just open your Notion account, and after that just log into your account or sign up in your account if you don't have an account already. And after that, in order to create a progress bar, and you will use these three functions showing right below. So if you are new to this formula, consider starting with Meet Notion formula property, which contains slide, prompt, if function, and comparison operators like round and format. And it will also have your percentage property, which will contain a complete unit and versus total unit. And after that, you also have to create creative characters. So your progress bar will include creative characters to represent completed and uncompleted segment of your bar. So here are few of the example that you might consider, which is like a star thing or circle or shades. So after that, you just go ahead and create your progress bar according to your need and the things that you want to include in your progress bar using all these prompt and formulas. So this is how you do it. And if you still have a doubt, so you can go ahead, you can read the entire instructions given right here, how it will work. So this is how simple it is to do it. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.